AI only works in a world of context. So many people out there use it as a search engine, right? They go in, they open up a brand new chat and they put in a single prompt of, hey, how do I build a channel program? And then they get aggregated feedback and everybody's like, AI doesn't work. You can't go build a channel program or whatever using AI. Yeah, AI isn't meant to work that way. If you put something in, it's going to go to the World Wide Web and it's going to aggregate all the data and give you the next best thing. But if you go in and you have context and you put that through an AI engine, the output's just incredible, right? Yeah, you have to create it, but instead of 50%, you're probably 95 to 98%. So the question is really, how are you capturing data? Data that doesn't exist, new data you're creating, and how are you using that within the AI system? So we're creating a platform that allows you to put an application on the desktop, and it captures everything an employee does for that context. So then you can really say, hey, what tools, what resources, what feature, what functionality do we need to fix friction point that we're capturing in real time? Hey, this person does this quote 50 times a day. It takes them 10 minutes to do it. We see through this technology, we can save them 8 minutes. 50 times 8 minutes, like that person now doesn't have to do the things that they're hating anymore, which is data entry and working a computer. They can go do the stuff that actually brings job satisfaction and job value. And so I think making sure organizations are understanding their context of how their business actually runs, I think is super important. And I think AI gets its TAM from the employee workforce. The total addressable market is how much their employees cost on their P&L statement, right? That's the biggest line item there is. So if you are an organization and you're selling technology and you're not thinking about how the P&L line item of employees is being affected, how you can really recognize the value that you are providing in that space, it's no longer about saving them $50 on their internet bill. It's no longer about saving them a couple dollars on their UCAS bill. It's how much more productive can you make my employee with that technology? Because a $10 saving on a UCAS seat pales into comparison if you could double their output.